I know you're not a fan of processed foods.
At all.
So I know, at all. How do they affect our bodies?
So processed food is another one that leads to all kinds of chronic illness as well, across the board. So whatever you do in childhood is just gonna lead into what you're gonna become as an adult. So you have to feed your body whole foods throughout so that you can actually get to adulthood and be as healthy as possible. But processed food is the stuff that's like colored. So all those, you know, I don't even know if I could say it on TV, but anyway, it's like the Cheetos and the Doritos, and those are just examples of stuff that has artificial food coloring. So those are processed foods. So if you go to the, you know, aisle, instead of grabbing the whole foods, being, you know, apples and, you know, pears and watermelon and stuff like that, you go and you get stuff that's, you know, canned, or, you know, sausages. That's what we mean by processed foods.
Exactly.
So there's something in that container that's keeping that food edible for
a
months
long
on end.
time.
So,
months.
Right, so,
sometimes even
years.
a year.
Yes, I know, you're right. But that's what we mean by processed. So that's what we want you to stay away from, because that, at the end of the day, is what leads all of these children to just not be able to do better behaviorally, focus-wise. You know, across the board, they won't do better because of all, you know, the diet itself. You have to heal the intestine and be able to create a healthy environment in order to be able to focus better and
you are what you eat,
better.
aren't you?
You literally are.
You really
are what you
are.
eat.
What do you think about before I take a quick break, dried fruit?
It's not terrible.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's something that, as long as it's, you know, organic, that means that it's still a form of processed food.
Right.
But it's the way that it's actually been made that is in a better version. So, but is it still processed? Yes.
It's processed.
It's still processed.
Nothing
yeah.
like fresh.